Last night I had a dream. When I got to Africa, I had one hell of a rumble. I had to beat Tarzan's behind first for claiming to be the king in the jungle. For this fight, I've wrestled with alligators. I've tussled with a whale.
Yesterday I had a dream, I was dead in my dream, and my mama was crying, and my daddy was crying, and the pastor was preaching, and my head was pretending I was inside a casket, covered by blanket. I was so confused, cause I couldn't talk, cause I couldn't walk, cause I couldn't move. I was feeling cold, I tried to talk to God, I tried to call his name, but I was too late. Everybody saying good things about me, motherfuckers acting like they cared about me. Everybody posting my pictures saying RIP. They only love you when you're gone, that's a fact, and they know. And my knees were looking sad, and my baby was depressed. I was there with a broken heart, I was sleeping facing up, and my soul was going up, and the devil